Have you ever wondered about the health benefits of drumsticks, or as some know it, Moringa oleifera? This humble plant, often overlooked, is a hidden gem in the world of nutrition. Drumsticks, a staple in many cultures around the globe, are packed to the brim with a wealth of essential nutrients. Imagine a single plant that offers vitamins A, C, and K, alongside minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. It's not just about the nutrients, though. Drumsticks are also loaded with antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, which help to neutralize harmful free radicals in your body, reducing oxidative stress. They even have anti-inflammatory properties and support a healthier digestive system, thanks to their fiber content. And let's not forget how they boost your immune system, priming it to fight off infections and illnesses more effectively. Now, prepare to delve deeper into the health benefits of this nutrient-packed plant. First off, drumsticks are a rich source of essential nutrients. Now, you might be wondering what these nutrients are and why they're so important. Let's delve a little deeper into that. Drumsticks are packed with a variety of vitamins A, C, and K to be precise. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision and supporting the immune system. Vitamin C, on the other hand, is a powerful antioxidant that shields our body from harmful free radicals. And let's not forget vitamin K. This often overlooked vitamin plays a key role in blood clotting, helping wounds heal properly. But the nutrient richness of drumsticks isn't limited to vitamins. They're also a treasure trove of minerals. Calcium, magnesium, and iron are all found in abundance in these slender green pods. Calcium is the building block of our bones and teeth, while magnesium aids in nerve function and muscle contraction. Iron is vital for the production of red blood cells and for transporting oxygen around the body. Beyond vitamins and minerals, drumsticks offer a wealth of other nutrients. For instance, they're a good source of fiber, which aids digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and lowers the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Moreover, drumsticks are brimming with antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. So you see, drumsticks are not just an ordinary vegetable. They are a nutrient powerhouse, offering a wide range of health benefits. From supporting your immune system to promoting healthy digestion, from reducing inflammation to protecting against chronic diseases, drumsticks have got it all covered. Clearly, drumsticks are a nutrient powerhouse, but that's not all they have to offer. Stay tuned to learn more about the antioxidant properties of drumsticks and how they can contribute to your overall health and well-being. Beyond their nutrient content, drumsticks are also known for their antioxidant properties. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly are antioxidants and why are they so important? Well, let's break it down. Antioxidants are compounds that our bodies need to fight off harmful molecules known as free radicals. Think of free radicals as little villains causing chaos in your body at a cellular level. They're produced naturally in our bodies through normal cell metabolism, but they can also be introduced through external factors like pollution, radiation, and unhealthy diets. When there are too many free radicals and not enough antioxidants to counteract them, this leads to a state called oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is like a battleground in your body, and it's been linked to various health problems, including heart disease, cancer, arthritis, stroke, respiratory diseases, and even premature aging. Now, this is where drumsticks, or Moringa oleifera, come into play. Drumsticks are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, polyphenols, and vitamin C. These antioxidants engage in a kind of cellular warfare, swooping in to neutralize these free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress. Flavonoids, for instance, are powerful antioxidants that not only neutralize free radicals, but also have anti-inflammatory properties. Polyphenols, on the other hand, are thought to protect against heart disease and certain types of cancer. And let's not forget about good old vitamin C. It's not just for warding off colds. It's a potent antioxidant that protects our bodies from oxidative damage. So, imagine every bite of a drumstick as a step towards equipping your body's defense system with the right tools to fight off these harmful free radicals. It's like sending in a well-armed battalion to protect your body at a cellular level. So, not only do drumsticks nourish your body, they also protect it. By incorporating drumsticks into your diet, you're not just getting a dose of essential nutrients, but you're also getting a powerful blend of antioxidants that can help to safeguard your health and well-being. But wait, there's more. Drumsticks also have anti-inflammatory effects and support digestion. Let's talk about inflammation first. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or illness. While it's essential for healing, chronic inflammation can lead to serious health problems. Drumsticks come to the rescue here. They are packed with potent anti-inflammatory compounds that help to temper this harmful inflammation. These compounds work by blocking the production of inflammation-causing substances in your body, thereby potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. And that's not all. Drumsticks are also rich in isothiocyanates, a group of compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammation and even help manage symptoms of inflammatory conditions. So if you're dealing with an inflammation-related issue, drumsticks could be a natural solution you might want to consider. Now, let's move on to digestion. A healthy digestive system is key to overall health and well-being. It's where your body absorbs all the nutrients it needs to function. Drumsticks are a good friend to your gut. They're a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion by adding bulk to your diet and promoting regular bowel movements. This not only helps to prevent constipation, but also supports a healthy gut by fostering a favorable environment for beneficial bacteria. Moreover, the fiber in drumsticks can also help to control your appetite by making you feel full for longer, which could assist in weight management. And as a bonus, a high-fiber diet has been linked to lower risks of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. But drumsticks don't stop there. They also contain certain enzymes that help break down food and increase absorption of nutrients. This means that with drumsticks, you're not just getting a plethora of nutrients, you're also improving your body's ability to make the most of them. From soothing inflammation to supporting a healthy gut, drumsticks truly do it all. And remember, whether you incorporate them into your meals or take them as supplements or teas, drumsticks can be a valuable addition to your daily routine for a healthier, happier you. Finally, let's not forget about the immune-boosting benefits of drumsticks. This humble plant is a veritable treasure trove of vitamins and minerals that fortify our body's natural defenses. The immune system, our body's unsung hero, works day in and day out to protect us from all sorts of infections and diseases. And guess what? Drumsticks are here to give it an extra helping hand. The secret lies in the vitamins, especially vitamin C, found abundantly in drumsticks. Vitamin C, often associated with citrus fruits, plays an essential role in supporting immune function. It stimulates the production of white blood cells, the body's primary defense force against infections. Not only that, but it also functions as an antioxidant, helping to protect these crucial cells from damage. But the immune support from drumsticks doesn't stop at vitamin C. They also boast a significant amount of vitamin A, another vital nutrient for immune health. Vitamin A helps keep the heart, lungs, and kidneys working properly, all of which are essential for a robust immune response. And let's not forget the minerals. Drumsticks are chock full of minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. Iron in particular plays a critical role in immune function. It helps our body produce the cells and chemicals that fight off infections, and a deficiency can leave us more susceptible to illness. With all these nutrients working in harmony, it's no wonder that drumsticks are seen as a natural immune booster. They provide a comprehensive package of immune-supporting nutrients, all in a single, versatile ingredient. Whether you opt for drumsticks in a savory curry, a refreshing tea, or even a dietary supplement, you're providing your immune system with the support it needs to keep you healthy. As you can see, adding drumsticks to your diet can be a great way to boost your immune system and overall health. So, the next time you're planning a meal, why not consider adding a little drumstick magic to the mix? So, to sum it all up, drumsticks, or Moringa oleifera, are a true powerhouse of nutrition. They're brimming with essential nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. But they're not just about nutrients. These humble sticks also pack a punch with their antioxidant properties, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. On top of that, they've been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which could potentially lower the risk of chronic diseases. And let's not forget their fiber content, which supports healthy digestion, promoting regular bowel movements and a well-functioning digestive system. Lastly, the vitamins and minerals in drumsticks, particularly vitamin C, play a crucial role in supporting a robust immune system, helping your body to fight off infections and illnesses. Incorporating drumsticks into your diet can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the health benefits of drumsticks.